How do you know when your tires are not roadworthy anymore? Well, there's a very simple trick you can use at home, and Liam from Motorama Ford Maruka here will demonstrate to you. So if you got a 20-cent coin, just an Australian standard 20-cent coin with a platypus on it, you can actually look on your tire for one of those tire meters, the grooves in there, and if you then put the coin on there, you'll see this tire completely worn out. You can see the head of the platypus very visible, so it's obviously not roadworthy anymore. Now if we go to a brand new tire that we got right here, and Liam puts the platypus on the same tire meter again right here in the middle, and as you can see, the beak of the platypus is not visible. That means you got plenty of tire tread left and your tire is roadworthy.